The supplement industry is a billion-dollar industry, and I'm over here funding it. Why am I talking about supplements today? Because maybe you are somebody who is into health, wellness, getting your body together. Maybe you work out all the time. Maybe people are always asking you, "Oh, you look so good. What are you taking?" But did you know that you can start your own supplement business? You can start your own supplement side hustle. You can start selling supplements without having to get them imported from different countries and do all the testing that it takes for years and years to make sure that you're not going to harm yourself and others. Yes, and you can do it today. And you can start for little to no money. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how you're going to do it, right? So we are going to log into Printify. Now you may be like, Crystal Lee, what are you talking about? Printify has shirts and hoodies. Why are you talking about supplements? They actually have some of the top selling supplements right here on Printify that you can start selling today. All right, so if you don't already have a Printify account, or if you want to create one, you can comment below Printify. I'll send you my link right away so that you can jump in here with me while I do it. So once you are logged in, you're going to go to catalog, and then we're going to scroll down. Now, you know Printify has over 1,000 products, so it's locked and loaded in here. But we're going to go to home and living, and then we're going to scroll to food, health, and beauty. Okay. Now, what's funny is, as much as I work with Printify, every time I log in, they got some new stuff. I can't even keep up, Printify. Wait. Now, if you're a coffee lover, I didn't even talk about this one, but a premium coffee brand, okay. We have probiotic supplements. We have turmeric. We have sea moss. We have magnesium glycinate. I don't know about y'all, but I be needing a little magnesium. I need to go to sleep. I do need to go to sleep. They have ashwagandha and black pepper. Also need a little ashwagandha so I can stay stress-free. Beetroot supplements, acai berry complex. We got a multivitamin for women, multivitamin for men, brain support. All right, so they have quite a few things on here. So if I were you and I was very interested in like a food type of brand, I would order samples of these products and try them myself first, of course, because I'm not going to sell anything to people that I have not tried. So just to be safe, I would try them, myself, make sure that they are working for me, and document and track the progress of what is working by taking one of these. Now, you can do this where you have a multitude of different supplements, but right now, in this season in 2026, it's always best for you to focus in on like a strategic audience, right? So if you're going to do people who need to be less stressed because of everything that's going on in the world, then focus in on ashwagandha, right? Focus in on what people need to be less stressed right now. Or if you want to help people when it comes to sleeping or any of that, then you would say, okay, cool, I'm going to use the magnesium and create my products from there. So you would do this the same way that you would do with like a t-shirt brand. Printify is letting you design the label, and they have the supplement facts, all the cautionary things that are on there. So you would hit the plus sign, and you can still use the AI that is built in to do this for you. You can do text, you can do any of that. I'm going to just do text, and I'm going to put sweet dreams. Okay. Now, I don't know which one I selected, but pretend. Oh, I did. I selected the magnesium. And I'm hoping this is the right magnesium, because I know it's a few of them. I know some magnesiums is for one thing, but some magnesiums is for going to sleep. Let's just say this one is for going to sleep today. Clearly, I don't have a supplement brand, but if this is your thing, this could be really great for you. Now, I would change where it says custom sleepwear at the top. So I would make that into like custom health. And then sweet dreams are made of, let's say your brand name is Fleece Supplements, okay? So change this up. But look at how that template was just already there. It fits perfectly, and it says sweet dreams. I hope you see where I'm going here. Save this. Look at that. Look at that. Sweet dreams. Now, there are supplement brands that are blowing up right now. Not sure if you've seen like Kourtney Kardashian's Lemme brand. So the supplement industry is really, really big. I'm just saying, I'm not too mad at this. Obviously, you want to be as safe as possible when it comes to health, but that's why I'm saying go ahead and try them yourself. Let's see, can we have a different color? I just went back because I want to see if I can make it a different color. Because if we're talking about sleep, do I want like a purple? Ooh, cute, 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 cute. White was looking a little too like, eh. But white works. White works, but I like a little color. So let's see how it looks. Okay. That's cute, right? Title, I would change that up and make it something cute for whatever your brand name is going to be. Also update it in the description, but shout out to the AI built right in that did the title and the description for us. And then we're going to set our price. Right now it's at $19.99, which means that every time somebody buys from you, you're making $8.97. So you can play with this and adjust it if you want. So let's say I want to change the price to $24.99. All right. And as you can see, it says price might be too high, so they can help you optimize it based on, you know, so they're saying this is how much it should be. If I were you, I would just play around, look at other competitors online, see how much they're selling for, but take the recommendations that Printify is giving you because they obviously know by using data of other products that they're selling and other customers and people that's using Printify. All right, so literally you're gonna hit publish. And boom. Here is our new Sweet Dream supplement. It's so cute, I love it. So you can put this on a Printify pop-up store, which means you can just put your sweetdreams.printify.me link right in your Instagram. I don't think that you can do the supplements via TikTok Shop, Etsy, or those yet. So you can do a Printify pop-up store, or you can put it on your own Shopify and your supplement brand is built. It's done. You've designed a cute little logo and you're ready to go. You're ready to go. Let's look at it on my test Printify pop-up store. Look at that. Look at that. Very cute. So ask me your questions about doing this. If you're interested, like I said, if you love health and wellness and you have been interested in doing things for people to help them get even more well and more fit, and you've been like, I have no idea how I'm gonna get some supplements to some people, or maybe you've never thought about this and now you're watching and you're like, I love sea moss, I love magnesium, I love multivitamins, I love this, then here is a great idea for you in 2026 that you can do for no money to start, right? And you have a great brand that's gonna help people feel better, look better, live better. I love it. Shout out to Printify. Again, comment Printify if you want my Printify link. If you want to work with me, you can comment one-on-one and I will help you create your own brand and we can talk about all of your great ideas and all of that moving forward. All right. I love you guys. Wishing you the best with your new side hustle, your new business, your new empire, your $100 million dreams that everything's going to work out and be amazing for. Yes. And I'll see you guys in the next video.